Hey y'all. Hold on. Hey, fix your face. Don't act like that. Don't act like that. Hey. We in the freezer. We trying to pop some chunks. Oh, there it go. There it go. Ooh, look at that one. Okay. Ooh, I need a taste. I need a taste. And we got that. All right, that green apple. It's really good. It doesn't leave that aftertaste like green apple candy, but I wish it had that little, you know, sour to it. Got a straw, and we just gonna put some little sections up in here. And then we gonna put that bad boy back in the freezer. Hopefully it freezes good.